Oh yeah, I forgot to introduce my other friend here. This is my other friend that lives in New York. His name is MBP. Yep, we just recently became great buddies. But it took a while because he's feral. But he stayed. He had a companion, looked just like him. But one day, me and Mia were taking a walk, and we seen his companion had got hit, and she was laying on the side of the road, sidewalk. Yeah. Yeah. And so I've not seen, but there is a little bit of a few black cats around here, but not. But they were the only two black cats that were in this yard, because as soon as I moved here, I started feeding them, and then so that made them come back. But yeah, as you can see, this is a pretty decent size yard for Mia to stay in, but yet she still insists on escaping, because it's like maybe it's just not big enough for her, and she wants to explore. Well, I do try to take her on walks on occasion, but yeah, that is MBP. The initials stand for Mini Black Panther. It's a goofy name though, but yeah, MBP. Okay, there. This is Old Lady Life signing off. Peace. Everyone meet MBP. Here. She's a feral, all black boy cat. I said she's a feral. What's wrong with me? I said he's a feral, all boy black cat. And he'll rub up against me, but he's real leery if I try to touch him. But he'll let me touch his tail, but not so much his head. This is messy eating. But as you can see, he eats from a spoon. Well, it's not a spoon, but a fork. But Mimi, she can eat from... Come here, Mimi. Come here, Mimi. Mimi. Mimi, don't try to hide from the camera, Mimi. Don't try to hide from the camera. See, Mimi eats from the fork. The knife, the tip of the knife. And she'll eat from it, too. Oh, he said, oh, what about me? I want some. Come on now. Don't play. It's getting better. Okay. Mimi. Mimi used to always bark at MBP. But now they've gotten used to each other. And plus, she used to get double teamed by Mimi's sister, which I gave away. Well, I'll post a video, possibly of them two, before I gave her away, because it was too much. Okay, here we go. Oh, you're so messy. You gotta eat up all that food on their floor. You're messy. This is the only way Mimi, she's really finicky. So this is the only way that I can get food in her sometimes. Because she just will wait till the absolute midnight to eat. She will wait till the last minute to eat. And she knows she's hungry, but I don't think she likes dog food that much, per se. Certain kinds, but not all of it. I mean, I'll open a can every day, and she'll stick her nose up at it. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot about you. Here. Oops. Oh, a little bit messy. So yeah, this was just a little quick introduction. And let's see if I try to touch her. Let's see what she did. I mean, he. I keep calling her a she. The cat's a he and the dog's a she. Ooh, see? She's like, no, don't touch me. She's like, don't touch me. Feed me, but don't touch me. Okay. Oh, you just getting closer. You want more. Oh, see? This is really her food. Mimi's food. But I ran out of cat food. So, this feral cat will eat anything, though, I swear. Well, okay. I'm going to end that there. I'm going to let him say bye. Meow. Meow. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yes. Meow. Well, you gotta learn better to eat off of this. Oh, you're getting better. You're getting better. Okay? Hey, Mia. Oh, Mia's the pro. She take a big old gulp. Okay, we're going to end that right there. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye. Say bye, Mia. Good job.